Let's learn about subtracting multi-digit numbers. We want to subtract 14.789 from 30.456. So we're taking from this 30.456, let's write that first. 30.456, and we're going to subtract this 14.789. Make sure our decimal points line up. We subtract them. 6 minus 9, we can't do that, so we have pull from the 5. 5 becomes a 4, put a 1 right there. 16 minus 9 is a 7. Now let's do the same thing here. 4 minus 8, can't do that. Let's pull from this 4. That becomes a 3. We bring the 1 over. So now we have 14 minus an 8, which is a 6. Now again, 3 minus 7, we can't do that. We got to pull from the 0. Can't pull from that. We're going to pull for the full 30, which is a 29. Carry that 1 over right there to bring that 30. Now 13 minus 7 we can do, and that is also a 6. 9 minus a 4 going straight down. Don't forget the decimal here, 2 in line. 9 minus 4 is that 5, and 2 minus 1 is a 1. And so we subtracted 14.789 from 30.456 and got a 15.667. I hope you learned something here about subtracting multi-digit numbers. And as always, thanks for watching.